Hi, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing out here in the wilderness of Oregon's Coast Range. We're right along the Siuslaw River, which you probably saw on the news last week as it flowed through downtown Mapleton, Oregon, which is way downstream from us. We're up in the mountains. But it got pretty high here too. Today we're bringing you a Singer 201, which is one of Singer's very best ever sewing machines. All steel drive. It's got a built-in can-type motor on the back here. Worm gear drive in here that runs the main shaft that works the presser, not the presser foot, but the needle bar. And then it gears off of there and goes down. Gears off again here and drives this shaft, which runs the feed dogs. Another gear here that runs the hook and the bobbin. Just a beautiful machine. It's in really good shape. It's like almost new. The decals are just about perfect. In fact, I think they are perfect. There's a few spots where the clear shellac coat peeled a little bit. I cleaned that up and polished it out, and then put on a polymer sealer to protect it. But as you can see, look at this. Look at that chrome shine. Just hardly been used. And we're going to take you for a little test drive here. We've got some, let's see, got some denim, we've got some split leather, more denim. Let's see what else? Shirting. There's some shirting. We'll start off with some shirting. It's pretty lightweight. This is 2 layers. You have infinite speed control with this machine. You can take it from slow to blazingly fast, and everything in between. So you'll have plenty of control. And here's some denim. I've already folded this denim into 8 layers. Put a stitch down it. As I was testing the machine earlier. But as you can see, we've got 8 layers of heavy Carhartt logger jeans. 8 layers. Imagine doing this on your average plastic geared machine. It would be devastation. As you can see, it has no trouble going through all of that thick denim. Can you imagine hitting a seam in your jeans as you're sewing along? It's like that. Only more so. And then we have some split leather. We've got 2 layers of split leather here. Fairly heavy split leather. And we're just going to use a regular sharps needle. We're not going to change the needle to a leather needle. Watch this. You want to sew leather clothing, purses, upholstery, strapping, boat covers. This machine's strong enough to do it. This is a straight stitch machine. Got a built-in light, reverse, everything you need. So this is it, Singer 201 sewing machine. You want to go to stagecoachroadsewing.com. That's where you'll find this machine and several other machines that are really unique and interesting. Probably some machines you've never seen before and probably never really thought about before. Again, that's stagecoachroadsewing.com. We've got several Singers up there and some Kenmores, and got a Remington, got a Morse Photomatic 4, which is an awesome machine. Anyway, come by and check us out, stagecoachroadsewing.com.